The cat is chasing the mice. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. I saw many sheep. The birds are flying in the sky. I bought a dozen eggs. The children are playing in the park. I saw a group of tourists. The dogs are barking. I ate a bowl of cereal. The fishes are swimming in the ocean. I planted many flowers. The birds are singing in the trees. I bought a pair of shoes. The horses are running in the race. I saw a herd of cows. The kites are flying in the air. I bought a box of chocolates. The swings are playing in the playground. I saw a flock of sheep. The frogs are jumping in the pond. I bought a bunch of bananas. The dog is barking. I saw many cows in the field. The geese are flying in formation. I bought a dozen eggs. The ducks are swimming in the lake. I saw a group of monkeys at the zoo. The squirrels are playing in the trees. I saw many lions in the zoo. The flowers are growing in the garden. I planted many trees. The birds are singing in the morning. I saw a pair of socks. The horses are running in the race. I saw a herd of buffalo. The kites are flying in the air. I bought a box of chocolates. The oranges are growing in the tree. I bought a dozen apples. The airplanes are flying in the sky. I bought a bunch of grapes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.